How to attach Grammarly to Word. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for download Grammarly. Head over to this site. Once you are in here, tap on get the add-in. It will redirect you to this page. Now you need to follow some of these steps in order to start using the add-in. You need to wait for a while for it to download. Once it has been downloaded, head over to Files. Double click on this Grammarly add-in. Tap on Get Started. Right here you can see two different options, Grammarly for Words and then Grammarly for Outlook. As we're looking on to attaching the Grammarly in the Word, so make sure you click on this checkbox, Grammarly for Word, and then tap on Install. Grammarly for Word will start to install. You have to wait for a while for it to complete. And there you go, the Grammarly for Word has been successfully added. Now what you want to do is simply head over to Microsoft Word and then activate the Grammarly, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can attach Grammarly to Word. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.